It's a rainy day, obviously. It's been raining the entire day since I woke up. So there's not really anything to do outside, and I don't have as many plant activities inside. So I'm just going to show you kind of what I do when I'm having a chill day. So I did work, but I do need to fill up my humidifiers. So I have several. And I'm just going to fill up these two downstairs. And as I explained, also I bottom water all of the plants that I can lift. Some of them are too heavy now. So I'm just filling up one of the humidifiers by a plant station in my living room. And I'm also going to fill up the other one. But when it's rainy outside, I don't know about you guys, but it just makes me want to slow down more. I love the sound of the rain on the window and I get the best sleep. So I'm just doing some chores. I needed to wash my dishes that I had left over from breakfast. And ultimately, I want them out of the sink too so that I have room to fill up my humidifier. So I'm going to wash these dishes, but we're also approaching the time for Dante to eat. So, it's getting dark super early, right about the time that I quit for work. So I have to feed Dante right around the 5 p.m. hour every day, somewhere between 5 p.m. and 5:30. So it's a little bit late today, but I'm getting his food out. So he gets a fresh bowl of water at that time as well. And he always waits. So if you'll see him looking at me, I don't know if you can see him, but he waits for me to tell him it's okay to eat his food. And then he goes. And so once his food is down, I can go ahead and finish my other chores because it's not going to be okay if the baby doesn't have his food. I'm just filling up pitchers so that I can refill this and fill up my humidifiers. The humidifiers I got from Amazon. I'll look for the links for it and then leave those in the description if anyone is interested. But I've had them for a couple of years now. Ultimately, the plants that live in our house are tropical plants. And so they're looking for a tropical environment. That's why we can have house plants, right? Because they like a tropical environment. So our houses are usually above 60, below 80, or in that range every day, which is perfect for a tropical plant to grow and thrive. So I'm just adding some humidity to my tropical environment because it's not very humid at this time of year. But actually, on a rainy day, it's great. We've got much higher humidity, of course, and you'll notice that if you look at your humidifiers in your house on rainy days, it'll usually be in the 50s and 60s, where usually my humidifiers the room humidity is in the 30s. So I'm just trying to get that up so that they're happy. So this is one plant station under the grow light that I'd made. And you can see there's two grow lights there. I think I got this. I wish I could remember where I got the black thing from, but I just don't. But this is the other plant station, like catty corner across from it. And that's my fiddle leaf fig and my banana leaf fig. I love ficus. I just think they're so pretty and they've got a lot of variety to them. So I'm just filling those up so I can keep a nice steady amount of humidity going. And here's my 2 Christmas trees. Just gonna pan around and give you a little look of what the room looks like. Chronicles of a single girl in the city or in the suburbs. A single girl in the suburbs. So, yeah, it's pretty chill. I have 2 Christmas trees because I love twinkle lights. So, the tree in the lower level of the living room has a little angel on it, and it was so hard to find a black angel. I think I got it from something called Free Cycle. I don't know if they still have Free Cycle anymore, but awesome. And she has braids and everything. I guess if anybody's interested, I can always give like a zoom in and picture of my black angel. But the tree in the foreground that's closest, it's got like personalized things on it, cigars, Dallas Cowboys, ornaments that I've been given from friends and family. So the foreground tree is more personal, where the background tree with the twinkling lights has the angel and more bulbs on it. I have to say, I love how pretty it is. And for dinner, I'm just heating up some of the French onion soup that I made the other day. The great French onion soup debacle. The Bordeaux took me out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I fed Dante, and I'm going to eat this cup of soup and prepare for a late night meeting because I have an HOA meeting. So just going to prepare for that and eat my soup. And Dante is being very loving, but also that's because he wants my soup. He can't have it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's vlog, guys. I don't have as much for Vlogmas Day 10 because of the rain, but I just wanted to give you a little peek into what the day looks like after work. And it's really pretty chill. Me and my coworker just hanging out and having a really chill evening. So I hope there's more interesting stuff to do tomorrow, but we made it to the double digits. So happy Vlogmas Day 10, and I will see you guys tomorrow.